Hello, this is Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Gerber Flatiron folding pocket knife. Cleaver style folding pocket knives have become popular the past few years, and this is a Cleaver style budget knife by Gerber that fits that description very well. This is a bordering a larger size knife in that it is 8.375 inches overall length, and it has a little heft to it because it is 5.41 ounces in weight. And it's just a really nice Cleaver style utilitarian slicer. The blade length is 3.5 inches long. The cutting edge is 3 inches. The blade material is a 7CR17 MOV. It is 1.125 inches in height, and it's a fairly thick blade in that it is 0.15 inches in thickness. It is a hollow grind with a stone wash finish and a plain edge. Has a large finger choil back side of the blade that allows me to clinch up very nicely on the blade to do some fine work. Has an elongated opening thumb hole in the blade that works very well. This is the tan G10 handle material model with light texturing. The G10 material is just on the front side. The back side is stainless steel. The handle length is 4.875 inches, and the height of the handle is 1.125 with a thickness of 0.43, so it's fairly thin. It is a stainless steel frame lock with nice jimping on the thumb ramp of the frame lock. Works very well. Has nice access to the thumb portion of the locking mechanism. It is a right hand only tip-up carry design with a larger carrying clip, kind of a square carrying clip. The frame lock has a safety stop on it, so you cannot overextend the frame lock portion. The 4.7875 inch handle fits very nice in my large to extra large hand. Just a great feeling knife. Could be a great utilitarian knife, great slicer. Has some heft to it. Could be used for a variety of applications, including hunting, camping, fishing, slicing. There we go, everybody. If you're looking for a budget brand Cleaver knife, this Gerber Flatiron just may fit your ticket. It's a nice solid build knife. Has open back handle design with nice stainless steel machine pillars for easy cleaning. The elongated thumb hole in the blade makes for a nice opening. Frame lock, Locks up very nicely. Nice piece. All right, everybody. There we go. It is the Gerber Flatiron Cleaver style folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. All right, bye now.